So today we're gonna do an unboxing for the brand MICAS. So I received 3 items from MICAS and we are gonna go through each of the items. This is the first item. It's a really pretty dress that I saw on their website. I got it in the eggplant color. So cute. I love this color, and it has an ombre effect, so it gets darker as you get to the bottom of the dress. I think it's gorgeous, and the material feels really good as well. It does have some stretch to it, as you can see, but I can't wait to try her on. To the next one. This I see a lot of people try, and I think it's just so cute because you can dress it up and you can dress it down. So this is a knit dress, sweater dress, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. The material is so soft. It's really stretchy, so it does have high stretch to it. It has the collar here, and then it also has the button detailing down the middle as well. So really can't wait to wear that. And the last thing I received was this really cute 2-piece set that I thought was so chic, and also same thing, versatile. You're able to dress it up, you're able to dress it down with some sneakers, and I can't wait to style it. So this is it. So cute. I cannot wait to pair this with like a pair of sneakers. And this is the bottoms. So they are long. They're actually a really good thick material. They feel pretty heavy and sturdy, and it also has pockets as well. So I cannot wait to try these on. I'll put for you guys a code in the description box that you can use if you want to shop on the MICAS website, and follow for part 2 where I will actually be trying on each of the outfits. Thank you guys. Bye.